Welcome to this video. If you're tired of receiving unwanted message requests on the X app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to completely disable message requests using the mobile version of X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then, tap on Direct Messages. Finally, under Allow Message Requests from, select No One. This will stop all new message requests from people you don't follow or are not connected with. That's it. You've now successfully disabled message requests on the X app. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.